Is the .NET Framework giving you a headache with endless installation errors? Let's squash those bugs and get your applications running smoothly. First, let's make sure your system is even ready for this. You need to verify your operating system is compatible with the .NET Framework version you're trying to install. Head to the Microsoft website, or do a quick web search for your .NET Framework version and system requirements to double-check this. And don't skip on the CPU or RAM requirements. Next, conflicting software can be a sneaky culprit. Look for older or incomplete .NET Framework installations in your installed programs. Uninstall any that you find, and restart your computer before trying again, since Windows is stubborn about this sometimes. Microsoft provides a handy .NET Framework repair tool. Download it from the Microsoft website and run it. This tool automatically detects and fixes common .NET Framework issues. It's like a magic wand for installation problems. If the repair tool doesn't do the trick, corrupted system files might be to blame. Open Command Prompt as an administrator, then run the system file checker. This will scan for and repair any corrupted files. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to overcome those .NET Framework installation hurdles. Now you can enjoy your .NET applications without any more frustrating error messages.